Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use Calendly for photography business. So the very first thing that you should do here is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for calendly.com. After that, you'd be able to see this website. So you just have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet, and you'd be able to see here now the different event that you have created. Now just click on the create a new event type. That's right. And right here you have your one-on-one, group, collective, and round robin. So for this video, we are going to focus on the one-on-one. Okay, so it means one host with one invitee. Okay, so just simply click on this one. And since this is a photography business, we are going to label this one as photography. And then after typing out your title or your label, go to the duration. And right here, I'm just going to select custom. So you just have to type it right here if how long would be the duration of this event type. Okay, so let's stick with 30 minutes. And then we are going to select in-person meeting. Okay, then after that, just click on save. Now that we are done with the two, let's go to the scheduling settings. Okay, so right here, just have to select the date range. So we have here 60 days or the calendar days. And if you'd like to be specific within a date range or indefinite into the future. So I'm going to select indefinite into the future. And right here, just have to select the correct time schedule and click on save and close after that. Okay, so make sure to add an event limits for this one. So we have here buffer time, minimum notice, the daily limit. And then for the additional options, we have here the time zone display. Okay, so we're done with the booking, the schedule settings. Now for the booking page options, right here you have your event link name, then your booking form. So this is the invitee question section right here. So we have the name and email, and then if you'd like to allow invitees to add guests, and then if you would like to add another question, so just click on the add new question right here. And then if you would like to collect payment online, so just simply click on the collect payment. And then after booking, display Calendly confirmation page, and then links on confirmation page. So here, if you would like to add a customized link, so just simply click on it. And then for this one, you have to subscribe or upgrade your plan in order for you to access this feature. Okay, after that, just simply click on save and continue. Now let's go to the notifications and workflows. So right here for the basic notifications, we have calendar invitation. So this one is on. So if you'd like to turn on the email reminders as well as the text reminders and email follow-up, you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access those features. Now that you're done, just have to go to the settings. And right here, you can delete this one or clone this event. Or you can simply copy the link and then send it to your customers. You can also click on the share option. And right here, you can share the link, so just copy the link. Or you can also add times to email. Okay, and then you can also add this to your website. Okay, so once your customers will book an event with you, so you'll be having a meeting, and then after confirmation of the dates, you already have your agenda with your clients. So you can then set a specific date where you can meet in person and then do the business. Okay, so just make sure to select the correct time zone. Then after that, you can now share this to your customers. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.